If you are in the cooking niche and you want to make more money, don't just make any recipe video. They only pay you an average of $3.59 for every 1,000 views and as low as 20 cents for every 1,000 views on your video. Instead, steal these 10 video ideas and let's start making you up to 578% more money compared to the average recipe video. Step 1 is to see which topics make money according to Google's keyword research tool. Step 2 is to see which titles are working and are getting lots of views. Step 3 is to make an incredible video around that topic. I'll take care of steps 1 and 2. You've got to do step 3 yourself. Are you ready? Let's make you some money. First, here are the 5 worst recipe videos to create if you want to make money. Tied for number 4 is pumpkin recipes and rhubarb recipes that only pay you 32 cents for every 1,000 views. At number 3 is Rachel Ray recipes giving you 29 cents for every 1,000 views. Coming in at number 2, Bisquick recipes giving you only 25 cents for every 1,000 views. And the worst of the worst, the video to make if you never want to make money, is Pampered Chef recipes giving you 20 cents for every 1,000 views. This isn't a personal thing. If you love pumpkin recipes, go ahead and make a video on it. Just don't expect to make a lot of money using it. Now, let's go make you some money. I'm gonna count down the top 10 biggest money-making recipe ideas for you, as well as 10 suggested headlines that you can steal today to start making some cash. I'm gonna go hop on my computer and take you through it step by step. Okay, let's kick it off with number 10. Tortilla soup recipe will pay you $12.81 for every 1,000 views. So I go to tortilla soup recipe, see what the popular videos are, and I'm looking for keywords that are popping out that can help me rank. I want to go and rank against some of these videos so that as soon as I see this video, they're gonna click onto your video. And so if I look down, looking for some ideas, I like the words quick and easy here. Quick and easy soup recipe. Maybe you can do chicken, maybe you can't. I would take that and go for it. This would be my title. Quick and easy tortilla soup recipe. And then I would put, since we got the best here, the best. There you go. Steal that title. Coming in, number 9, Campbell's recipes. So again, I want to scroll down. I want to see what keywords keep popping up. I would do something like this. Delicious. How do you spell delicious? Delicious. Campbell's recipe. Let's go soup plus food mashups. So we're taking from here, delicious food mashups with Campbell's soup. 3 years ago, 3.1 million views. I want to show up right after this video. So I'm taking delicious Campbell's recipe. So that's the keyword we're targeting. And then soup and food mashups. Okay, let's go to number 8, chocolate recipes. For every 1,000 views on these videos, you're making $15.50. This one seems to be more around DIY. I like the words yummy in here. And so I would do something like this. There's also the number 5. So I would go the 5 best DIY chocolate recipe ideas. And then I want yummy in there. So I'd go guaranteed to be yummy. There's my title. Steal it. You'll win. Let's go to number 7, Irish recipes. Every 1,000 views, you're making $17.24. Let's start making money. The thing that pops up here is St. Patrick's Day. I want to put St. Patrick's Day in. So I would do something like delicious. We're always trying to put the keywords in the title. Delicious Irish recipes for a special St. Patrick's Day. There you go. Steal it. Win with it. Let's go to number 6, lobster recipes. For every 1,000 views, you're making $17.95. Here I'm seeing homemade. I'm seeing garlic butter. I'm seeing this guy used the keywords perfectly. Look at that. I see garlic butter again. So I would do something like this. Homemade lobster tail recipes with garlic butter. Go. Make it. Coming in at number 5, finger food recipes, also making $17.95. Here we're getting some numbers. We got 10, we got 8, we got 9. I'm seeing parties, party, next party. So I want to copy some of this stuff. I would go 10 finger food recipes for your next party. Basically taking the most popular one here, 1.2 million views, and I'm adding the word recipe in there because that's what I want to get in for. There you go. Make that video. Coming in at number 4, also $17.95 for every 1,000 views, Apple recipes. So here we got 10 Apple recipes. I'm liking that. Let's scroll down. These are specific recipes. So because it's recipes, I want to show multiple ones. That's a keyword that we're trying to get some attention for. So maybe you can't do 5, apple upside down cakes, but we're looking for different Apple recipes. So I like the word grandma's here. This video's got 350,000 views. I want to come up after it. So I would do something like this. I combine it with this one here. Something like 5 Apple recipes that will make your grandma jealous. Boom, winning title. The number 3 keyword here is microwave recipes, paying you $18.20 for every 1,000 views. So again, I'm seeing numbers 24, 5, 13, 2. I'm seeing that there's a brand called Tasty that's making a lot of these videos. Tasty. And we're talking about things that are basically easy to do because it's in the microwave. So I would do something like this. 13 tasty and easy microwave recipes. There's a winning title. Okay, coming in at number 2, doesn't actually have the word recipe in it. It's quick dinners. If you make videos around quick dinners, you can get paid up to $18.47 for every 1,000 views. Looking at this page, we're seeing popular videos, multiple millions of views, 4.2, 3.8, 12. This one just getting started. Numbers are in here, right? 7, 31, 7. We're talking about being easy, quick. So I would do something like 7 quick dinners you can make in 5 minutes. How long it takes is also showing up here, right? 5 minutes here, 30 minutes here. Let's get specific. Boom, seal that title. And the number 1 highest paid keyword in the recipe industry right now is Martha Stewart recipes. For every 1,000 views you get on a Martha Stewart recipe video, you will make $20.73, which is 578% higher than the average. Remember, the average was $3.59. The lowest was 20 cents. And the highest is $20.73. Such a wide range from 20 cents to $20. Rachel Ray was 29 cents. Martha Stewart is $20. Such a big difference if you just do a little bit of keyword research. So let's look at Martha Stewart. These are the recipes. This is what's showing up. I would look at, let's scroll down, get some ideas. These are specific recipes, so I want to do multiple. I don't want to just show one recipe, so you may not be able to do, stuffed calamari recipe. I want to find things that you can do multiple. So something like this, healthy lunches and snacks, Martha Stewart. I would take that, and I would go 3 Martha Stewart recipes for healthy lunches and snacks. Now, you've got to be able to do it. It's got to be a quality video. Remember, step 1, see which topics make money. Step 2, figure out titles that work. And then step 3, you have to make an incredible video around all of these topics. So that's how you can make up to 578% more money if you're making recipe videos. This is a new series on this channel that I'm playing with, I'm testing with. If you want me to make a version of it for your industry, let me know what industry I should cover next. Leave it down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Continue to believe, and I'll see you soon.